Hello, this video is a tutorial on how to use DocHub to edit and format PDF files. Now, DocHub is a site that allows you to store PDF files that you have either yourself or you get from the internet. If you go to this link, you'll go to the DocHub site. You can sign up either through creating your own account or you could sign up through your Google account. For teachers, I suggest you do it for the school's NYC account because it gives you other features. This is showcasing some of the DocHub documents that I have for various topics. Okay, so for example, if you go here, I can edit any of these documents. All these features provide me ways to edit the documents once I upload it. So for example, if I want to add a text box, I would click on this feature and it allows me to create a text box where I could write information anywhere within the document, as you can see here. You type it, and then if you need to move the text box, you could just simply move it back and forth like so. Okay, now I'm going to delete this text box. And if you want to use the regular mouse, you just simply click on this, and now you have a regular arrow. There's also other features on this. You can provide arrows to highlight key information. You just click on whichever shape or image you want, or you could even use a circle. So for example, if I want to put a square onto this word, I can just simply do that, and it's there. And you could also undo any feature that you want. So it lets you do this with all PDFs. For multiple choice, if you want your students to circle an answer that they think is correct, you could just simply direct them to circle which answer you think is correct. Okay, like so. There's also another feature in this tool for free writing. Now, this is for students who have tablets or pens, but you could also do it on a laptop, but it's not really as effective. And it's also good for math. But now you could handwrite and you could create any type of writing feature that you want, as you could see. But again, as I said, with a tablet or a pen or a cell phone, it's a lot more efficient. Okay. And the other features are highlighting. It lets you highlight certain words. All you just simply do is to click on this tool. There's a feature for images and stamps. You can use those too, and it lets you do that. Now, certain features are paid, but for the free features are very effective. There's also a way to insert images. You could upload and insert images from the internet on DocHub. Okay. This feature is for the page icon. If you have a PDF that has a lot of pages, a student can simply click on it, and then you can go to specific pages that you want. Okay. Now let's say one of the pages has an image that's not in the format that you want. It's like, for example, this is a table here. Okay. One of the features of this is if you alt right click, it gives you the ability to rotate. So Alt and then click with your touchpad gives you that ability. Or if you have a mouse, all you simply do is right click. And if I wanted this so that everyone could see it properly, I could just simply rotate it. Let's see, it's here, so I have to rotate it 90 degrees. Rotation of 90 degrees to the right should do it. There it is. Now it's in proper format. So you have that option. You could also add or delete pages to anything that you upload on DocHub. Now, DocHub allows you to do this for about 2,000 documents. Then you have to pay for it if that's something you're interested in. But now I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF on DocHub. Okay, I'm going to go to the main screen. As you can see, I have a lot of documents on DocHub. A lot. I have about 300 or 400. So I have another about 1,600 to go before I have to do the paid feature. So now let's say I wanted to do a document relating to author's purpose. The first thing you have to do is you have to download the document to your computer. Once it's downloaded to your computer, make sure you know where you're saving it. Then you hit save. And now to upload it to DocHub, after you sign in, you simply go to New. It's at the top left. You click on New, and Now you could upload it. Now, it used to be in the past where you could just copy the link from the PDF online and then you could just do it like that. But now they want you to upload it. This feature for using the URL is only for paid subscriptions. So you have that option if that's something you want to do. But now to simply upload the document, I click on upload. I find where I put the document and it was in my downloads. I hit open and now the document is automatically uploaded to DocHub. And notice all the features that I showed you that are here before. I can now edit the document, add my own information to the document as much as I want. And remember the feature that I said about the multiple choice. All a student would have to do if you're assigning it as work is they could just simply circle the answer that they think is correct. As so. And then it shows. Okay, so that's how to utilize DocHub. Okay, now a couple more suggestions. Once you have the document, you want to change the title so that you know what it is. Okay, that's what I'm doing right here. And this could be for any subject. It doesn't necessarily have to be English language arts. But I'm just going through the format for it. Okay. And then once to assign it to students, you see this feature where it says share? You have to click on that and make sure you change it from private to public. Because right now, once you get the upload the document, you first, it says privacy and owner. This document is private and owned by you. So therefore, you have to go to edit and then change it from private to public. That way you could assign it to your Google Classroom or anywhere you want. And then to actually assign it, you just simply click on it there, make sure it's public, and you get the shareable link. That's the shareable link that you could attach to your Google Classroom. Now, there's just one key thing. When you assign it to students, you're going to have to go over the same steps for them. So once they get it on DocHub, once the students see it on DocHub, they will not see these features at all. Okay, the students first have to sign up for DocHub, as I said, and the easiest way to do that is through their nyc.net account or whatever school account that they have. If not, then the next alternative is personal email. But if they have a school account, let them do it through that. After they sign up, and they go to the DocHub when they press the link, they're not going to see these features. What they're going to have to do is the students themselves have to go to this feature, download it to their computer, and then upload it. Okay, you're going to have to show them that once they download it to their computer, they have to click on this image that says D, and then it'll tell them to upload it to their computer. They'll have to go to dashboard to see new, and then they click the upload once they find it. Then they'll be able to work on it. And once they're able to work on it, you could tell the students afterwards to share it with you. All they would have to do is simply go to the this section